Ever wondered what it means to be called for jury duty? It's a term we hear, but what exactly does it entail, and why is it so important? Well, guess what? Today we're diving into the world of jury duty, a super important civic responsibility for citizens in the United States. At its core, the duty of a juror is to provide a fair trial. That's a big responsibility. You might be called to serve in one of two main types of cases, a criminal trial or a civil trial. Each type has its own set of rules and implications, but your fundamental role remains the same: ensuring justice is served. Now, to be eligible to serve as a juror, there are several criteria you must meet. While our notes don't list all 5 specific requirements, know that they exist to ensure a fair and impartial jury. And get this, serving jury duty isn't just a civic duty, it's actually the law. That's right. If a person refuses to serve jury duty, the court can impose fines and/or imprisonment. That's how serious our legal system takes this vital role. But what if you truly can't make it on the summoned date? No worries, there might be options. You may be able to ask for a postponement to a more convenient date. It's crucial to read your summons from your particular court to understand how to properly postpone your jury duty. However, getting an excusal from jury duty is a bit tougher. It often requires a special request. Courts generally only excuse a juror from service on grounds of undue hardship or extreme inconvenience, so it's not a simple opt-out. So what happens when you're summoned and report? You'll show up at the required time and place and report for duty by checking in. You'll then be placed in a jury pool with other potential jurors. When a jury is needed for a trial, a number of jurors are selected from this pool, and the judge will then ask the potential jurors questions to determine impartiality. This step is vital to ensure an unbiased trial. Good news for employees. Employers are required to give employees time off from jury duty. In fact, it's against the law for an employer to fire you or penalize you for reporting to jury duty. Just make sure you give your employer advance notice as to when you will be serving. Now here's a key point. In most states, employers are not required to pay you for the time you miss from work when serving jury duty. However, many court districts do pay jurors who aren't paid by their employers. So check your local district's rules. How long do trials usually last? They can range from a day to weeks and occasionally even months. But don't let that intimidate you. The good news is the majority of cases last 1 to 3 days. The judge will usually have an idea of how long the trial will last and will inform the jurors. So understanding jury duty is like unlocking another level of understanding our amazing legal system and our role in it. It's a powerful way citizens shape justice in our country. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, you're never too young to make a difference.